Well, hello, my friends, and welcome back to More with Marquita. So, I love graphic t shirts in my work wardrobe. I saw a hack on TikTok where you can make your own. These are the ones that I made. You pretty much just print them off and use saran wrap to place them on. So, today I'm going to try it. We're going to see how it works out. So the designs came from Canva. I pretty much just took a basic template and then added my own pictures and stickers. You'll need a pack of white t-shirts for the men's section and saran wrap, either name brand or non-name brand. I tried to use film wrap at first, but it didn't melt onto the t-shirt, and I'll show you that a little bit later. So you want to cut off the white border around your image. This is my attempt to use film wrap, and I want to show you how it does not work out. So I'm using my mini heat press because I thought that this was the best option, but I actually found that when you're making graphic t-shirts, don't use an ironing board because it doesn't retain heat in the shirt good enough for everything to stick. So this is how the plastic wrap came out. You see that it's still moving, so I just went and found my saran wrap to try that instead. So this is my second attempt and second day on the shirts. I'm going to try saran wrap this time to see how that works out. So now I'm using saran wrap and I'm going to wrap my paper twice. This time I'm using my mini iron and it gets really hot. It gets hotter than an actual iron. So it was working out just fine until I took off the parchment paper and it curled under and some of the plastic came off. Every corner curled under, so at this point I have to start over. So this is my third day, third attempt using saran wrap to try to make my graphic t-shirts. So I love the Mariah Carey Christmas album. I printed that one off and I'm going to try that one again. It did curl under just a little bit, but what I'm going to do is place another piece of plastic on top and then just iron over that and then cut off the extra. I love Walmart tights. So I got these festive ones to match my shirts. Well, I guess it won't really match, but just to go with the theme, you know. I love them. They're only $4.98. Who wouldn't love that? So before I make my modeling debut, I want y'all to know that I'm so silly and I'm just having fun with this. So here I am trying to show off my little shirts. Did y'all notice the Board with Marquita advertisement that I put on my festive shirts? I know y'all like that one. So this is pretty much my everyday work fashion. I work in a warehouse, so I have to dress comfortable and warm. I love Mariah Carey's first Christmas album, so that will forever be my favorite Christmas album. And these are my new boots that I actually got for Christmas, and I haven't worn them out yet, so I had to some kind of way incorporate them in the video. So lastly, I'm going to wash and dry my shirts on delicate inside out to see how they turn out. So after turning them outside in, you will notice that it was an epic fail. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. I love you. I'll see you in the next one.